got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, we have something never seen before on YouTube, and that is a true Hybe versus Hypebeast mystery box comparison video. I'm going to be opening boxes from both of them. If y'all don't know what these are, it's basically like online mystery boxes. You go ahead, spend some money, you can go ahead purchase boxes with the hopes of getting something very good. The chance of getting that, slim to none. The chance of just getting stickers is very high, okay? And I just want you guys to know, please don't use this website unless you're above 18 and you know what comes with it. It's basically like gambling. And on top of that, just to put money into the sites are very, very sketchy. Both of these sites basically use the same, I guess, security person to go ahead and, you know, secure your payments. It's taken me like over 10 hours to figure it out. I've tried multiple cards, had to make multiple accounts, and it was just a whole mess. You guys, please just take a look at it. I've been trying for so long to go ahead and just put $50 or like 25 and 25 into both this and Hypedrop, and as y'all can see, it's literally not working. I've gotten one payment through and I've been using multiple cards. They do not take debit cards by Chase. The only card that went through was like an American Express card, but I've literally tried so many cards. It's either failed or expired, As you guys can see, it's just a hassle for this video. So all I ask is like up this video and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so as you guys can see, first of all, like I said, I don't recommend this for any of you guys. It was too much of a hassle. Too many cards got declined that have money in it. I tried so many different cards, man. It's just getting declined left and right. But I knew this video was about to be a banger for you guys. And I know you guys will want to actually see what this stuff is about. On top of that, this is my entryway into the Hypebeast mystery box game, man. And y'all make sure to like and subscribe because I got many more mystery boxes coming within the coming weeks. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright guys, so right now I have a coin because we have Hybe and we have Hypedrop. So it's a little penny, and heads is for Hybe. Oh, take two. And we have tails, so we're going with Hypedrop to start it off. But let's go ahead and get this video started, alright? So as you guys can see, man, I'm stupid excited right now. I already know how long it just took for me to put some money into this freaking box. Alright, so we got $25 in. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. My goal is to open like at least, you know, 2 to 5 boxes for both Hypedrop and Hybe. So, whew. Right now, we're in the streetwear. What box should we start off with? They got a watch box, $5. Off-white for $2. Yeezy box, can't afford that. Budget streetwear. So we're going to have to go with the 1% boxes. I don't know which one we should start off with first, though. Let's just go down and see everything they have. Ooh, they got vape as well. I'm going to stay away from the vape for right now. Dang, bro. What should we start off with? Alright, we're gonna go with this Hypebeast 1% box right over here. It's for about like $2.50. 1%. Bro, this box sucks. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're not doing that one. I'm sorry. Let's just go with Supreme. We're gonna go ahead, open this. Let's hit buy now. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? Bro, we got some. What is this even a real item? What is this? We got shoelace inspired. These are some fake laces, bro. They giving us some fake shoelaces. Alright, we can sell it for $2.50, so that's not too bad. Let's go back and see what else, man. And it's cool. They got a little level up system over here, so that's cool as well. Let's see. Yeah, let's go to the streetwear master. It's about like $149. I said we're gonna open this box twice. See if we get anything good. Come on now, come on now. Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Please not a sticker. Bro, we was this close to a freaking shirt. Let's do it again. Come on. 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 Oh, dude, we almost got some boxes. Alright, let me do one more time. One time. Oh, shoot. Come on. Turn me up, man. Bro, we keep getting these stickers, man. We got 3 stickers, bro. Come on. Bro, I didn't think this thing would be as fun as it is, but I kind of mess with these. Alright, so in the off-white box, it's just more shoelaces. I don't really want any more shoelaces, so let's see what else we can open up. Should we go with a bigger box? Oh, I'm ready back to the top. Alright, let's go for a $10 box. Since we opened up a good amount, let's see if we got like a $10. Ooh, let's open this one first. So we got the Hypebeast box. They got like some cool little items. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Let's see what they're working with. Oh, fidget spinner, bro. What is this, dog? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go with this Hypebeast budget. $10, man. We about to go ahead and splurge. Hopefully we can get something, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, they gave us a toy. Bro, what the heck, man? Alright, let's go ahead and exchange a few of our items. Dang, like, is this a whole bunch of stuff that I would not use? Size 3/4. Overwatch. I guess that's a game. Alright, select all. What do we sell? Sell for what? Can't tell. Okay. Bro, am I tripping? Huh? It says it's worth $19. Alright, let me just try selling this. There's no way they're really about to give me 80 cents. Jesus Christ. I can exchange an item. Bro, what is going on? This is nothing like Hybe. They keep trying to give me toys. Oh, they have an iPhone 10 screen protector. I actually need this. Shoot, I might just... Yup. Give me that. Oh, what? I can't afford it. Bro, I don't like this. I don't like this right now. You don't really get the full price. It's like divided by something. But let's just go ahead and sell all these, man. I don't even want the items, and let's go ahead and open like 2 more boxes. And that actually sucks, like really bad. Right now, I'm not a big fan of Hypedrop, because their boxes kind of suck, like really bad. Let's just keep rolling with this box and let's see what we can get, man. Bro, they keep giving these stickers, man. Oh, shoot, we was that close, man. I know we could win something, bro. I know we can win something. If I keep opening these boxes, they keep giving me stickers, bro. I don't know how much of this I could take, and they don't have no decent priced boxes on this side. So let's just try this. We can go ahead and get like 2 in. They give me an arrow-shaped necklace. It is kind of live, but I'll still go ahead and sell that. Oh my goodness. Select all these and sell. We got 2 more boxes before we just call it quits on this, and then we'll move on to the next one. It looks like you really gotta go big or go home with these type of boxes. Like, there's really that 1% chance that you'll actually get something nice, which kind of sucks. Bro, these boxes suck. Let's go ahead and try out the bait box. And this is our last box. Hopefully we can get some. If we can't, oh my gosh, man. But yeah, that wraps up the Hypedrop. Obviously, it sucked. I didn't get anything worth it. The highest priced item I got was technically worth $10, and I couldn't even exchange it really for anything. So that's gonna conclude this. Hopefully, we have some better luck with the Hypedrop. All right, so right now we're back at it, and we decided to go with the first box being a high budget box. Let's go ahead and open. Come on, please work. There we go, man. We back in this. Whew. Slide it on up. All right, some earphone cases. I'm gonna go ahead and let me hold on to that. That is the first box that we're messing with. Let's see what our luck will be with a little bit bigger boxes. I do like Hybe's whole layout. It's just a whole lot nicer, and they have more affordable boxes, which is why, you know, I'm kind of messing with them more. We're not gonna do no, ooh, that Supreme calling my name. But I do like accessories, bruh. Let's look at it. These boxes, I wish I had a little bit more money in, but you already know how it's like putting money into these things, man. Probably not gonna get any good items. I mean, they got a few cool items, but you see, like, all of these items that are technically good, bro, it's less than 1% chance of you getting it. That's why I literally feel like, bro, like, they have one of these items, and they basically rigged this type of stuff to where, like, bro, if you get it, you got it. That's the only one that they bought. I mean, it's a big finesse, but stickers, look at that, 30%, 37. What? They're sick. I'm not testing my luck with this box. I am sorry. Jesus. These people. Alright, let's go with the off-white budget one. Nah, but they got stickers up in here too. They got the fake stickers. Jesus Christ, bro. Hey, let me close my eyes and let's do this one. It's for $6.93. This ain't no... It's like 25% of our whole thing, bro. Come on, show me. A gray up. Oh, this what? Bro, stickers, man. Stickers. Nike Air sticker. I don't even think that's a real sticker. I had never seen that sticker before. Okay, let's go with Supreme accessories. What they got up in this box, man. Let's see, show rates. Out of stock. Well, none of these accessories are live like that. Like, I mean, if I get one of the scarves or something like that, or a keychain, I'll mess with it. Oh yeah, we messing with this box. You can only get one sticker. Let's go ahead and rock with this. Let's see what we can get. Only one sticker. I'm feeling lucky. Let's see what we got. Gray. I got a key locator for 95 cents. That was worse than the last one. Alright, man. Maybe we should up the bar, maybe. Alright, let me see if I can get like a $10 box in. Ooh, these looking nice. Sneakers, white sneaker. Ooh, I'm liking these. Dang, this tough. Balenciaga. But they got them stickers, bro. If I get, there's a lot of. What? Let me see the percentage, bro. Bro, come on. Jesus Christ, I'm not getting nothing from these boxes, bro. Alright, let me just go with the white sneaker box. I think they're gonna have like at least some way better stuff of white sneakers and white. There's about 3 stickers I can get. Okay. Hopefully I don't get a sticker. I've done opened a good amount of boxes. I think I deserve something. Purple? Sticker, bro. Freaking stickers, man. I can't take this, dude. I've opened like 15 boxes between these 2 websites and it's nothing but stickers. Look, my tip to you guys is don't test your luck. I got nothing. I have nothing. It's just stickers, man. I don't know what's going on, but I'm really getting tired of this. I'm trying to, let's look at my items. I think I got something decent on the first go. Yeah, I got these little cases, these earphone cases, but Man, I already know it's gonna take them forever to ship out, so we're gonna exchange it for about $1. But as y'all can see, the price values for their items is way better than Hypedrop. Hypedrop, their stuff really just sucks. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the boxes suck in comparison to Hybe. I kind of mess with Hybe a little bit more. So look, we got 876. We can either go for a bigger box or like 2 more. I think we're gonna go with 2. I just don't know what box I want to open yet. We haven't opened up the vape one, so I think we can do like the vape, and then we'll do the cool gadgets, like something like that. So, for our last 2 boxes, let's go for it. That's $650. Actually, no. Let's look what we can get first with the rates. No, I mess with vape, even though I don't have a lot of vape. Coming soon. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I have some real mystery box videos coming after this. I don't really count this one. Got a few masks. All right, let's go turn it up. Turn me up, man. Let's get a red. Something like that. Let's get a red. Bro, dude, what is this, dog? Golly, bro, I'm so unlucky. All right, so we got 460. We can open one last box. I'm calling it freaking quits because this stuff sucks. All right, let's do this high budget box. Oh goodness, man, I really feel like throwing something. Bro, why, man? Why? All right, we'll open this box again. Can I open up a better box? Nah, we can't. All right, so this is for real the last box, man. I'm gonna do this one with my eyes closed. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because guess what? I ain't get a thing. I did not get a thing, man, and it kind of sucks. But alright, you guys, so in comparison, as we can see, this is actually a true comparison of what you can get on Hypedrop versus Hybe. And when it comes down to it, man, if you're actually trying to better your luck and get some more items and open up more boxes, your best bet is to actually go with Hybe, in my opinion, just because of the fact, man, bro, Hypedrop, they don't want no little money in there. They got them 1%er boxes, but it's just like at the end of the day, before you actually maybe get something, you might have spent like over $200 in them boxes just to get one cool item. So you might as well, in reality, you might as well go ahead and just purchase the item that you want. You know what I'm saying? You can test your luck, but remember, please only go ahead and do this if you're above 18. And no, this video is not sponsored. None of that. This is all money out of my pockets. I put like, what, 50, 60-ish dollars gone. But I did it just to show you guys what it's kind of like. Plus, it's something new for the channel. On top of that, like, there's so many like big YouTubers that go ahead and open these boxes, like Pretty Boy Fredo and whatnot, and they get like the Balenciagas and all that. Look, it's rigged. It is rigged. You know what I'm saying? Don't think your luck gonna be as nice. But anyways, guys, I just gotta say, y'all like up this video, man. Make sure you guys subscribe and just stay tuned for what's to come. Anyways, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9. Undercover Jesus.